So there's quite a big hype around YouTube Shorts right now. As you can see on YouTube, there's a lot of YouTubers making lots of videos about YouTube Shorts. Now I'm going to show you something brand new that you haven't really seen in these videos before. I'm going to show you how you can make money with YouTube Shorts with 0 subscribers and 0 views. You might not even need an account on the YouTube platform itself. You don't want to miss this because this is going to be an epic strategy on how you can generate anywhere between $50 and $300 per day on YouTube with YouTube Shorts without actually having any views or any subscribers. Let's go. What's up you guys, Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach documenting my daily journey on my YouTube channel on how I make money online. So if you want to join that journey, please subscribe down below with the notifications on so that I can send you a personal notification every time I upload an epic video just like this one so that you can watch my content, develop the skills and abilities that you need to build a successful online business. I also like to talk about motivation and hopefully inspire you guys to get some goals and achieve those goals that you perhaps have. I'm also going to be doing an epic giveaway in this video and announce the winner of yesterday's giveaway, $20 at the end of this video, so make sure to watch until the end. But if you can count how many times I say the word YouTube, that's YouTube, I'll put it on the screen so you can see in this video from second number 1 till the end. Comment down below. Every person that gets it right, I will choose a random person out of the people who got it right. You just need to comment down below that answer. You also need to have a like on the video and be subscribed. I can see if you've done all 3, and I will announce the winner for a $30 giveaway in tomorrow's video. So make sure to watch this video through and count how many times I say that. And we're going to get started with this, and it's actually super easy. At the end of this video, you're going to be like, wow, this is actually super easy to do. What you're going to do is just come over to YouTube and you're going to search how to grow on YouTube. Click on enter, and over here are a whole bunch of big YouTubers like Nick Mimmin, Nursing with Key, Dan Lok. They teach you, that are getting millions of views, how to get views and grow your YouTube channel. Now what you can go and do is, we can actually go and overtake this, and we're gonna go use something really interesting and provide value and kind of piggyback ride their audience and make commissions off of that. So we're going to go and help out their audience with also growing views, but instead of actually working with a YouTube channel, we're going to shortcut the process for them with a couple of tools. So what you can do is you can actually just click on one of their videos. You want to scroll through the comments and have a look at potential people that are YouTubers that aren't actually big. So here you can see is a person, Fairly Made Gaming, with 1.2 subscribers. If I open up their channel, you can see they're trying to post 2 days ago, 3 days ago. So they're posting every day and they look like they're really putting in a lot of effort to their channel. So what you want to do is you want to open up the about section over here and you want to see if we can go and message them. Okay, they've got an email address over here and they've got a Twitch and a Facebook page where we can go and reach out to them. So this is basically what you want to do is you just want to have a couple of these channels open. You can also come over to Facebook and search up YouTube growth groups. You want to go open up a couple of these groups and you want to keep these pages open for now. You're going to see exactly what we're going to do with these groups in a bit, so make sure to keep watching. It's super important that you don't miss this. And thirdly, come over to Quora and search how to grow on YouTube. And the reason why I'm also searching this on Quora is because we want to find as many people as possible. That includes on YouTube over here in the comment section, on Quora over here. Don't worry, we're not going to spam in the comments or anything like that. It's got nothing to do with that. On Quora over here and Facebook groups over here, we just want to find as many communities as possible that need help with YouTube growth. So over here, if we click on one of these questions, how can we get more YouTube subscribers? You will see people over here commenting and posting different answers and posts on how to get more YouTube subscribers. So what you can do is you can actually go and open up some of these comments over here and you will be able to see other people commenting on how to grow your YouTube channel, which is just more people that are looking to grow their channel. So it's important to keep all of this traffic open on Quora, Facebook groups and YouTube in a separate tab for now. Now what we need to do is, in order to make money with this, we need an offer. We need something to actually convert and make money with. We can't just make money from nothing. It doesn't work like that. So the one product that I've been using is called lingoblaster.com, which is an affiliate product which you can go and get on JVZoo. So JVZoo is the affiliate platform that I've been using to promote this Lingoblaster product. Lingoblaster is a tool that will help you rank your YouTube videos and translate all your YouTube videos into every language in the world. That includes transcripts and captions, meaning you can reach up to a 70% larger audience because not everyone on YouTube is English. So if your videos are only in English, you can't reach reach the foreign audience. This tool will help you reach that foreign audience. It's a very new and unique tool that a lot of YouTubers don't know about that they can use to grow their channel, and it's not expensive. It's only $20 or $37, that's right. So I've earned so far plus minus $246 yesterday and $288 today just promoting this tool around the internet. But the thing is, why I've been getting such good commissions from this is because I've been very organic in the way I promote. I don't spam, I don't just copy paste my link everywhere. I write each and every transcript as if I'm a real person and actually organic and true about this product. So I'm going to reload this just to show you that this is my live dashboard and not a screenshot or anything like that. So you can actually see, there we go, I am earning from this, which is pretty good. I was hoping maybe to get a sale live here on my screen, but that didn't happen, so that's okay. Now that we know what we can potentially earn from this, you want to come over to affiliates over here. You want to click on find products, and we'll open up the tab where we can go and search a product. On the search bar, just go and search Lingo space Blaster, click on enter, and it should pop up on the screen over here. I'm just waiting for this to load. Over here you can see is Lingo Blaster 2. You get $28 commission per sale that you make. You can click on get links over here, and you will see over here is your unique affiliate link. If I copy this, paste this in a new tab, it's going to take me to my landing page over here, which is what this looks like, where people can go and buy this product, which is connected to you, and you will get a commission every time you sell this product. You can also, as an alternative, go and use another tool as an affiliate program called Sprizzy.com, which is a platform you can use to make your videos go viral. So this is a tool where you pay them you can pay them as much as you want. Depending on how much you pay them, you will get a certain amount of real views from YouTube. So they basically run YouTube ads for you, getting organic traffic and subscribers to your channel. So the more you invest, the more your channel will grow. For example, if you put in $100, you might only get 10,000 views. If you put in $1,000, you'll get probably 100,000 views. So how this affiliate program works, you get 30% of whatever your referral spends. So if they spend $1,000, you get $300. If they spend $100, you get $30. If they spend $1 million, you get, I think, $300,000 commission for that. So you get 30% of whatever your referral spends. You can scroll down all the way to the bottom over here, click on affiliate program, and you can sign up over here and become an affiliate. So it's super easy. This is also a great tool that I recommend. Now you must remember, on a lot of social media platforms like Quora, Facebook, or Instagram DMs, affiliate links are banned. So we can't just go and give people our affiliate links. There's a way we need to go about this. What we are going to do is we are going to create a landing page, a bridge page that's our own website. Don't worry, with a tool that only costs $1, because I don't want you to spend as much as money with this at all. The only reason this tool is $1 is because it is a very high quality premium paid tool. It's honestly better than ClickFunnels and Kartra that costs well over $100 a month. This tool only costs $1, and this is an entire business builder in a box. So if you are an aspiring online entrepreneur and want to build your successful funnels, get the sales and the revenue that you're looking for, you need to have a tool like this where you can create funnels, sales funnels, upsell products, downsell products, and make money through e-commerce. This is a tool that will do that for you. So we're going to go and create a bridge page with this. So when we share our product with people, it doesn't get banned, that link doesn't get banned or anything like that, and we'll have no problem with that. You want to come over to the link in the description. I've already set up a checkout for you where this tool is only $1. You can click on the link in the description. Once you've done that, it will take you to a dashboard like this. You can click on the Cheetah website builder over here. If you don't see it yet, just hover over apps, click on Cheetah website builder. I'm going to click on enter. We're going to click on create a new website, choose from professional templates. And what we want to go and search is on the search bar over here. Just wait for this to load. Search launch. We want to go look for a launch page. And over here, we are going to use Theme 04 product launch. This is what this page looks like. It's a simple landing page where we can go and use as a bridge page to funnel people through to our affiliate link where we're going to get our sales. So we're going to click on Theme 04 launch, click on select this, click on save, and it's going to automatically build your website for you. You don't need any skills, no web development degrees, no coding degrees, no doctorates, no nothing. You can import everything at the click of a button. So click on skip tour. We're going to go and edit our page over here. And what's nice about this, we can come over to Lingo Blaster over here and literally copy the heading and use it on our own landing page. So we're just going to copy this over here. Watch me dominate page 1 in just 3 clicks. I'm just going to spread this out and make the text a little bit bigger. Let's just make this font size maybe like 36. That looks better. And we're going to make this bold and we can make, for example, page 1. We just want to highlight this in a nice blue color, move this up. We can just move all of this down a bit. And for the second little text over here, we're just going to click get traffic from targeted buyers and keywords. So we can double click on this, highlight that like that, and we can just make this a little bit smaller to maybe 28. I think that's good. And we want to make this like a red color, just like that. Free limited time workshop. So this is perfect. This is what this looks like. Free limited time workshop, series reveals publicly for the first time. Watch me dominate page 1 for any niche with just 3 clicks. Now what we're doing is they need to enter their email address. Once they enter the email address, we're going to take them through to our affiliate link. So we're going to click on set link over here. We're going to click on subscribe confirm. We're going to come back to JVZoo over here on the dashboard, copy our affiliate link, come back here, and just enter your affiliate link. So click on select and click on save. Now when people enter the email address, it will take them through to your landing page over here to Lingo Blaster. Now once this page is done and ready to complete, we can actually just delete this logo button over here. We want to click on save over here. So now our landing page has been completed. I'm just waiting for this to publish live, and we're going to get our link now. So here you can see is the link. We can click on go to website, and just like this, boom, our landing page is ready to go. Now what we can go and do is we can come back to these guys on YouTube, Facebook groups, and Quora. We want to open up their social media. All you do is come to the about channel, open up their social media, and you want to click on message. And we are actually going to message them as a fan. So we're going to click on message over here, and we're going to type, hi, let's just copy the username, Fairlade Gaming. We can say, I've been following your channel for quite some time, and I am a big fan, bro, or something like that. Big fan, bro. Make it a little bit personal. And then we can go and say, I recently wanted to start my own channel, but I was worried I wouldn't grow. I came across this tool where I can help make my channel go viral through YouTube, through automated YouTube ads. I thought this could help you too. Would you like me to send it over? And just like that, as you can see, I've gotten personal with them. I've just said, hi, I've been following your channel for quite some time. I'm a big fan, bro. And I recently wanted to start a channel myself, but I was worried I wouldn't grow. And I came across this tool where I can automate my virality with automation, YouTube ads. Would you like me to show you this tool, as I think it could help you too? As I can see, you're well over 1,000 subscribers already. So we're getting personal with them. We're offering them help. We click on that. You don't want to send your link in your first message. First, ask them a question, talk to them, show them you're a real person. And if they say yes, you can send them the link to your Builderall page over here, where they can go and see this tool. And boom, just like that, over here on Facebook, we can go and send them that link to that page. And if they're interested, they will click on it and they will convert from there. The important part is we've also collected their email on this page over here, so we can retarget them with email marketing down the line to get them to come back to a product, to get them to convert to more sales. But that's going to be it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like down below. I'd really appreciate that. I just quickly wanted to announce the winner of the $20 giveaway from yesterday's video. This person on the screen is the winner of that. Well done to you. All you need to do is message me on Instagram over here, and I will send you your $20 to PayPal or your Bitcoin wallet, depending on what you prefer. But don't forget about today's video and the amount of times I said YouTube. Comment down below the right number. If you get it right, I will do a lucky draw in tomorrow's video for a $30 giveaway. But guys, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.